We're on.
Yeah.
Yeah. We going to the lake?
No lake around here.
Just don't accidentally launch the boat.
I'm not going fast, that's why we're going slow.
Sorry about that. I stepped off this driveway here.
And the reason we're using the brushed one is the brushless.
Kind of like zip.
It's got too much power, can't go this slow. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Shut off?
Done. Yeah.